What I like most about the workshop model is that I present the students with a mini lesson at the beginning of class. It's quick, it's the strategy I want them to focus on, and the rest of the period they're working on that strategy through writing or reading.
One thing that we're going to focus on in 7th grade is that call for action. We talked about that with competitive sports. Remember, at the end of our essay, in our conclusion, we talked about what's the next steps, that call of action that we can do here right now, right? Some of us said that we could join drama club instead of competitive sports, or some of us said we could do other activities to get healthy instead of always being in the competitive realm. That's what we're looking for in this situation. When I'm walking around the room and meeting with small groups, this is where I can really focus on individual students' needs and what the group as a whole needs as well. So when I'm walking around, I can overhear their conversations. I can hear if they're on track, if they're struggling. I can pull students aside individually, or I can pull small groups aside that I know are struggling with a certain area, or if the whole class is struggling with a concept, I can stop and redirect and focus and reteach. This is where I believe the best teaching happens.
Here's what I noticed with your writing. Fantastic tone, formally done. Everything was fantastic. In fact, I couldn't believe the tone that you brought forward. Jax, for instance, you had great transitions. You brought the flow of writing very well. I love your title. It's just catchy. It's right away. You can see what you're talking about. It brings Val's personality, Natalie, details, and Sean. The two of you had so many details from your resources. Nice job.
I love the writing workshop model because I get to be part of their writing, and I get to see those aha moments when it clicks, and I get to be at their side when they need support, and it definitely, I get to influence their writing process and help them achieve what they want with their writing.